Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about how to use the follow-up series, email series that the creator of Funnel X ROI wrote himself, and how to use it effectively inside your GetResponse account, okay? And if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, click the bell icon next to it, okay? So when you activate your Funnel X ROI system and you go through the steps of configuring your income streams, the second income stream is GetResponse, the email autoresponder that we are using with Funnel X ROI. So when you promote Funnel X ROI using the links that's in the system, okay, and they activate their own Funnel X ROI system, okay, and well, before that, they get sent to a presentation page to learn more about Funnel X ROI, but they also get added to your email list, and you'll learn how to set that up when you go through this second step of integrating GetResponse with Funnel X ROI. Now, the creator of this system, David Deco, has written an 81-day email follow-up series that you can connect to your GetResponse account, okay? So you don't have to write those emails yourself. Now, let me show you my GetResponse account. This is the dashboard. If I click on email marketing and I click on autoresponders up top here, here are the emails that David wrote himself and is connected to my account here. But as I scroll down, you can see mine stops at day 10. And the reason it stops at day 10 is because I don't have all of his email follow-ups on my account. I deleted the rest of them. There were like 70 other emails. I deleted those 70 emails, and all I have is the first 11 emails because it does start at day 0. So there's 11 emails going to day 10. Okay, and I'll explain to you why I did that. But the first email here that goes out the same day that they sign up on your email list, David does talk about in his videos to modify this email and make it more personal to you, so people get to know who you are. So you want to talk about how you got started making money online, why you joined Funnel X ROI, stuff like that. You just put that in that email, and then the next emails, all of the emails after that, is basically David talking about the results that he's gotten with promoting his system. Okay, so they're pretty much branded to him, and the only thing that will be sort of branded to you, let me click on here to show you. This is the second email that goes out. As you can see, it'll have your links, and then it'll say, till the next email, smiley face, David and Michelle. That's the only thing that is branded to you. It'll have your name next to David's. But the results and all of this other stuff is pretty much just him talking about his results using his sales funnel system. Now, the reason that I only have the first 11 emails in this follow-up series on my account is because I want to develop the know, like, and trust factor with my email list. So I want the people on my email list to get to know who I am, get to see the results that I'm getting, and the more that they know me, the more they'll start liking me, and the more they start liking me, then they'll trust me, and when they get to that trust part, that's when they decide to join me in my business. So the truth is that people join people. They don't join companies. They don't join systems. They join people that they know, like, and trust. And if you're using the entire 81-day email follow-up series from David, where he's branding himself and he's talking about his results and the results of other people, and they're not hearing, and the people on your list aren't hearing from you yourself personally, you're not developing that know, like, and trust factor. The people on your list are not getting to know who you are, so they have no reason to join you in your business. So that's why I only use the first 11 emails for the follow-up series. Now, after the people go through that follow-up series of those 11 emails, what I did was I created a segment. If I go to contacts and then click on segments here up top, this right here, I created this segment called General Subscribers 2, and this segment will have the people who have already gone through the email follow-up sequence. Okay, I wanted to segment them off because at that point, after they get their day 10 email, then I start sending out broadcast emails that I've written myself. You know, I write them myself every day, and I send them out every day to only this segment of my list. So anyone else who's going through the email follow-up series, they're not going to get that broadcast email because they're still going through the follow-up series. They're still getting the days 0 through 10 emails, okay? But once they finish that email series, they will be added automatically to this segment called General Subscribers 2. And then I'll send out a broadcast email every day to this segment of my list, so people will get to know, like, and trust me. You know, I send out, I always add a picture of myself in the emails. I ask them if they have questions, they can reply back to the email. I'll give my phone number out. I'll invite them to friend me on Facebook and send me a message on Messenger. I make YouTube videos about my business, so I'll send a link to my YouTube video in an email to those people on my segment, in that particular segment. So all those things help to develop that know, like, and trust factor. They get to see who you are. They get to see what you're talking about on Facebook, on YouTube. They can call you if they have questions about the business. They can reply to your email if they have questions also. All of these things is what you need to do in order to develop that know, like, and trust factor, so people will trust you enough and like you enough to join you in your business, and you can start making commissions. Okay, so if you join Funnel X ROI, and the first income stream inside is called Easy One-Up. There are several product package levels inside of Easy One-Up. If you join Easy One-Up at the Vertex Elite product level or higher, you will get extra additional video training from me that will show you how to modify your autoresponder list, and also how to create a segment inside your email list if you've never done that before. Okay, and I also have some extra videos on how to get started with Easy One-Up also. You know, setting up your payment processors and things like that. And I also have another video that will show you how to buy traffic for the Funnel X ROI system, okay, using David's secret traffic source. Alright, so if you're interested in getting involved with Funnel X ROI and creating multiple streams of income, go ahead and click the very first link below this video. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.